In Igbo culture, Diọkpara or Diọkpala means the firstborn son of the family. He's highly respected, the head of the family after the father, and the custodian of the family's heritage. The Diọkpara rules, he makes decisions, he settles disputes, and inherits the Isiobi, the father's main house. But did you know there are different types of Diọkpara in Igbo land? Let's see them. Diọkpara Obioma, the good-hearted first son. He works hard, supports the siblings and parents, and represents the family at Umuna when the father is no more. He is loved and respected. Diọkpara Obiọjọọ, the wicked and selfish first son. He wants all the inheritance to himself. He does not care about his siblings. Diọkpara Nwụfụrụ, the first son who died before his father. When this happens, he loses his position as the first son. Even the children cannot inherit the Isiobi because their father was not alive to bury his own father. Diọkpara uche ya ezughị ezu, the mentally challenged Diọkpara. In this case, the second son takes on the leadership roles, but everyone still honors the first son as the Diọkpara as long as he's alive. So you see, in Igbo culture, it's not a good thing for a Diọkpara to die before his father. Diọkpara is spiritual, and the title carries honor and great responsibility.